Portugal with the come with the nightlight. Match call week.
What? He transformed. Bro, this guy is so fucking talented. Sorry, bro. This guy is so talented, yo. No drugs, no profanity, no naked women, none of that. This guy is a marketing genius. This song can be played on every platform. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're with what the 5th or the 6th reaction. We're here with IShowSpeed, Speed himself, the man himself. Biggest stream at the moment on the internet with a song called World Cup. So we all know Speed's following is huge, massive. Big up Speed. All well deserved. You put the work in, bro, and it's paying off. So big up yourself, my G. But you're venturing into the music side of things. I have no doubt this is gonna be fire, cause you are talented, bro. You are really talented. So let's jump in this one and see what the G is saying, man. Let's go. Brazil, Germany.
Let's go! Everybody rise up!
We all know that he's obsessed with Messi and Ronaldo, like especially Ronaldo. He loves Ronaldo, so
stand up!
Go.
It's that time! Come on! We got Portugal, we got Mexico, France, England, Brazil, Belgium, Qatar, Germany, USA, Iran, Canada, Argentina, Australia, Croatia, Switzerland.
This is gonna be a fucking banger. I just know it, bro. I know it.
Ghana, Japan, Uruguay, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, Ecuador, Wales, Poland, Tunisia, Cameroon, Serbia, Korea, Netherlands, Senegal, Costa Rica. Let's play football. World Cup.
Let's play football. Yo!
Ecuador, Wales, Poland, Tunisia, Cameroon, Serbia, Korea, Netherlands, Senegal, Costa Rica. Let's play football.
Let's go play. World Cup. World Cup. This is catchy as fuck. Like this could be the World Cup anthem before the World Cup start. In the ceremony, this could be the song. He hasn't swear once yet. There's no naked woman. There is no profanity. There is nothing degrading. He's just having fun. There's kids involved. He's just having fun. I love it. What? He transformed. Bro, this guy is so fucking talented. Sorry, bro. This guy is so talented, yo. No drugs, no profanity, no naked women, none of that. This guy is a marketing genius. This song can be played on every platform. In any house. Even if you don't like football, this song can be played right there, bro. Like, seriously, dog. The man just sick, dog. He just transformed, though.
Hell no, man, let's get right. Got Portugal with the come with the nightlight. Match call, we come with the right. Italy, we come with the right. Like Cameroon, we came with the pipe. Match call, we come in right. Like World Cup time. Fight till we die. We up in the field, we finna hit till we die.
Yeah.
Till we die.
Yeah.
Until we die.
Whoa!
Hell no, man, let's get right. Got Portugal with the come with the nightlight. Match call, we come with the right.
we know that he likes to play football. He was in the UK in the summer doing a charity event. So we know that he loves football. He doesn't like football. He loves football. He's big on football. So Speed, big up yourself, my G. Big up that.
Let's go, we up in there. Gotta look on my bed like hell. Now we in this den. I like to play football. If Ronaldo finna win, we gon' get hit it like it's too far. Artenia, man, what's up? Messi, he finna what? Messi, you want the what? Messi, you want the huh?
Tony's that he's obsessed with Messi. Yo, he's having a own little personal beef with Messi. Like he's just having a personal beef with Messi by himself. Messi doesn't even react to it. But big him up, bro. He's like I said earlier on, he's a marketing genius, yo. He's a market. Big up his management team around him. This guy is unstoppable. He's just getting bigger and bigger, man.
To play football, if Ronaldo finna win, we gon' get hit it like it's too far. Artenia, man, what's up? Messi, he finna what? Messi, you want the what? Messi, you want the huh? Hat tricks, we up in this man, we up and chirping the band. Messi, you up in the win. Ronaldo, he about to win. So we
Ronaldo. Fire. This is fire. Fire. Football, oh football. I love this guy, bro. Portugal, turning out Brazil, turning out Cameroon, turning out Switzerland, turning out Argentina, turning out England, yeah, we turning up. Let's get it, we turning up. Let's get it. Work on. Let's get it. Yeah, we turning up. Yeah, we turning up. If y'all don't know Speed, you would think Speed is high on something. This is Speed every day, bro. This is Speed. This is his on-screen persona. Not sure if it's like that behind, like off the camera, but this is Speed. Very hyperactive. Yeah, very entertaining. This song is good. I love it. I love it. Come on now, man. It's that World Cup time. Y'all know who about to win. Cristiano Ronaldo. Portugal. Portugal versus Argentina. Ronaldo versus Messi. In the last stage, Ronaldo scores a free kick, and that's game 3-2. GG's to all the rest of the countries, man. Brazil, you might win. Mexico, you're not winning. Switzerland, you have a chance. France, you might got a chance. England, you have a chance. Germany, might got a chance. USA, I don't know. But hey, let's get it, man. It's that World Cup time, man. We out! Learn to buy slips. Yo, Speed is a G, bro. Speed is a G in his own right. If you got anything bad to say about Speed, something is wrong with you, check yourself in the mirror. Speed is just full of fun, bro. And also, like I said earlier on, this song, like, no drugs, no swearing, no profanity. Like, the guy's talented, bro. Like, the guy is really talented. So, big up Speed. I can see this song singing worldwide, especially when World Cup is really on. You know what I mean? Bro, you can sing the chorus in all different language, bro. All different language. Speed, big up yourself, bro. Yeah, this is very, 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 very entertaining, and I really enjoy that. So if you enjoy this reaction, I want to see more from the G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. I'm begging you, please help me to get to 20K. Subscribe around there, and I will definitely see you in the next reaction, man. Have a good one. Peace.